Hello everyone, this is Khanfar here. Today I will present a useful tool from Bango open license called TCP Streamer. This tool is audio streaming using TCP Protocol over LAN, so you can stream audio from any software-defined radio under Windows 10 through LAN and any different PC in your LAN. So it's easy to feed audio from PC to PC using server and client streamer. So let's try it with SDR Sharp software. So what you need, first of all, make sure you install virtual audio cable on your server PC to feed audio from it, and install this tool from links in description below and extract it. And now open SDR Sharp and make sure the audio output set to VB audio cable input, and then start SDR Sharp. So let's try right now to make sure the audio from here, you can choose from here the output. Let's stop it right now. Make sure you choose VB audio from virtual cable input and start it. After that, download the tool from description, video description, and extract it. Now you will see these three files. Now open SDR Streamer exe. Now scan your LAN IP devices from here. Now hit the scan button. Now here you should see your host IP address, like this is from my desktop PC and the other PCs and connected devices in your LAN. So let's set up the server side. You see the IP address is 192.168.1.6. Now from here the SDR Audio TCP Streamer GUI, now running the Audio TCP Streamer server, and from here you put the IP address, your PC host IP address 192.168.1.6, and let's try to put the port 1234. And now from here, the streamer side, make sure the speaker is a cable output VB audio virtual, because we put the output here, the VB audio in SDR Sharp. And the listen on the side here, from the listen in the server, we don't need it, so hit here to mute this listen side. Okay, now let's start it. Now it's starting. Now go back to SDR Audio TCP Streamer, now running the audio TCP Streamer client from here, and click the client side from here and put the same IP address. This client you will set up in different PC. Right now I set up here because I'm recording video here tutorials. So the client side you should set up in your client PC you want to hear the audio coming from. Okay, from here you put the host IP address of your main PC, so 192.168.1.6. okay, and you put the port at the same port you choose. We choose a port 1234. okay, and from here I put the sample per second. This is the best one, and the jitter is 20. And from here for the speaker here, we don't need a speak here in the client side, so let's mute it. And the listener, you can the listens here, you can put the output audio from here, like my LG TV, or I will put the speaker. Now let's hitting connect. As you can see right now it's connected. The server side in my main PC, and in my second PC I put the client side here. I installed this software GUI in the server PC and in the client PC, and this setting in the server side and these settings in the client side. Okay, now right now it's all, and right now the SDR Sharp is running right now here, and the output is a cable VB input. Now let's try testing here. You should hear the sound coming from here in my different PC. Let's test it. 1 2 3 1 2 3. The TCP Streamer server feeding to the client server in different PC in my local LAN out. As you can see, everything is correct. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Bye bye.